మార్నింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అయిపోయిందా? నువ్వు కొద్దిగా స్టార్ట్ అయిందా? అకాడమీస్ రోల్స్ ఎందుకు అక్కడ చేయడానికి ఖాళీగా ఉన్నాయి అబ్సెంట్ అబ్సెంట్ let me go for the delete operation. We have a list of products. Displaying the list of products, product list is displayed. Morning class. Okay, morning class product list is displayed. Success message at the top of the table. Fine. Just you can go for the ID, name, and all. Just you can go for one more attribute like action status. Here you can take the tag like actions tag, action tag. Next one is like here we need to write actions. Just open the TD and close the TD. Here you please write the two anchor tags. Right, how many anchor tags? Two anchor tags. See, edit you create one hyperlink and delete also you can create one hyperlink. Just you can take the anchor tag. Tell me guys, anchor tag is what? This is called anchor tag. You can go for what? Delete operation. See guys, delete based on what? When you click on the delete, you need to set the URL, right? When you click on what? Delete, you need to set the URL. What the URL tell me here? Just you can write the href attribute and they write the href. Yeah, href. What the data can tell me? Hey, how can you take the URLs? In typeleaf, take the URLs using what? th colon. In typeleaf, take the URLs. మీకు మంచి ఇప్పటికప్పుడు కొత్తగా ఒక తెలుసా ఫ్రెష్గా అట్లా ఉంటుంది మంచి పద్ధతి అది బాగుంటుంది అది దిస్ ఇస్ యూఆర్ఎల్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ at the rate this is like URL is what th colon at the rate starts with what URL, right? At the rate contains the URLs, guys. That's what you can go for what typeleaf colon href. Just you can make the URL. What the URL syntax guys here? At the rate braces. At the rate braces, guys. Just you can make the URL slash products. Tell me slash products slash what's delete slash product slash delete, guys. Plus, tell me you want to give the URL. You want delete the data based on the IDM. Based on the ID, just you can make the slash, and here you can keep the ID, guys. ID means this is ID, right? Product ID. Which product I want delete, that product ID it will take automatically. That's what after plus just you can take what product ID. Okay, product what ID, right? That's it, guys. This is a href I taken here. Products slash. What the delete? What do you have, guys? Here slash products slash delete. Plus, this is the path variable basically. See, we have the ID is what means, then what happened? What the URL tell me here? Slash products slash what? Delete and slash one. That is ID is added to what? That URL, right? ID is added to what? That URL. Yes, you please take this is a string plus then what you can say string plus number, right? Exactly. Okay, this is the slash products slash delete plus like this. That is called delete operation, guys. The same way, can you please copy paste the same code one more time for the how many links I'm creating total here? 2 links. One is the delete, one is the 82 will leave tomorrow, guys. Leave it. Just let me go for what? Delete operation. Yeah, delete operation. Okay, you please run this project. If you run this project, MVC project, right click on what? Start. Generally, if I give this URL, you should be able to write the remaining code. But you guys are what innocent, right? That's what I will write the code, no worries. And this is like data. And I can go for the URL. What the URL is here? Localhost 80 slash products. You got the form, under the form, just you can write what? Get all. Yeah, get all is enough. See guys, get all we got the deal products like this. We have one button like what hyperlink you got here? Delete. You add the CSS styles. When you add the CSS styles, you got the more glue. So more glue code. But no CSS fields, leave it, no problem. And that is the data here. This is called ID, delete. See guys, if I click on the delete button, you please cross check this URL once. I clicked on what button? Delete. You click on the delete button, you please see what the error file we cast, you didn't get the code. You check this URL once. This is the URL you written right. Products slash delete slash ID. Yes, sir. Then this is the ID we should implement. This is the path variable. What is the path variable? Tell me. So URL is what? Products slash table. And this one is what? 152. Path variable. 152 is what? Path variable. Path variable. ID. Path variable and ID got ID. ID is what? Path variable. ID only path variable, right? This is called URL. What the URL? Collect SAS, delete, telat. This is what? Path variable. What path variable here? 152. 150 is the value, right? Just you can keep the value. See guys, when you click on the hyperlink, I clicked on what? Hyperlink. If I click on hyperlink, click on what? Hyperlink. Yeah, what I clicked guys? Hyperlink. Yeah, hyperlink I clicked. When I click on the hyperlink guys, hyperlink request is always get request. Hyperlink request, get request, get request. Hyperlink request is a get request means here you should write the code for get mapping module. What mapping is your get mapping. So get mapping just you can write what slash products slash delete slash braces and what ID. That's what I shown the URL here. Just when you click on the delete button, this is the URL you got. This is the URL slash products slash delete slash black set right set cool control okay na project వచ్చినాయి మొదలేసి మరి ఇంకేంటి లైట్లు అయిందమ్మా నిద్రపోతుంది అక్కడ అర్థమే పడుతుంది ఫస్ట్ నువ్వే స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ వెన్నై స్టార్ట్ చేసి అదేమో డిలీట్ ఆపరేషన్ చదువులు ఇవన్నీ దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇది యా దిస్ ఈజ్ ద వాట్ ఆపరేషన్ here product list. Product list, this is called delete URL. What is delete URL here? This is a string to plus, this is called what? Path variable, right? Path variable guys, get mapping you write, get mapping just you can write what? Public string and what? Public string, what? Delete by ID, something like that. Delete by what? Delete by, what you can say here? ID. Delete by ID guys, here we got the, this is the input, right? What the input you got? Hey, this one is the URL plus this one is what ID path variable, right? This what variable? Path variable. That's what you can come to this file and here you write at the rate path variable bracket ID and what? Double quote ID log ID like this. Delete like this. Employee service product service delete by ID. Here you want ID. And you place the cursor, click on what ID. Once you click on ID, ID come here. Product repository ID void no return. Void here also no void. What we have void after deleting you delete after deleting redirect to same page. To redirect to same page go for what? Return all redirect all Ketal put the semicolon. If we put the semicolon, then come here what 152. 152 delete. పక్కన నిలబడుతుంది అక్కడ లేవు. జోలు పడుతుంది. యాక్టింగ్ చేస్తే నాకు సోల్ కూడా చూడలేదురా. క్లిక్ ఆన్ పొందలే మనం ఫ్లోలో ఉన్నాం. క్లిక్ ఆన్ వాట్ you click on delete 150 you see because later you cannot see. 152 you see later you see you cannot see very slow. Later you see you cannot see. You cannot see. Last suplu. Last sees. See last sees. Click what? Delete. You redirected to get all URL. Click on what? Delete. Last see. Last see. Mohon Susi. Last see. 152 is there. There or not there? There. Now it is there or not there? That's what. Slowly. Slowly. 202. Last see. See you delete. Then what? Gone. Bye. After 11 days, you have the function. Okay? Get right. That's what. 203. See last see. See click on what? Delete. But see, here I want message product deleted successfully. That's what. We have to add into there. Model attribute. Model class will work or not work? Because this is a redirect. Redirect attribute. What attributes? Redirect attributes. Then you can add the data. What data? This is what message? What message? Delete message. Before what? Product deleted successfully. Product deleted what? Not successfully. Product deleted what? Successfully. That is delete message. Delete message. Message. Delete what? Delete what? Message. You redirected to here. Then come here. Place. What? This is what message? Delete message. Delete what? Then delete message. Now you come. You see. Delete. What? Delete. Delete another. Delete. We click delete. Then it is gone. Message coming, not coming. Message not coming. Why? Just you need to check the URLs. That is you got mistake. What mistake? Mistake. What mistake? Now a mistake. Dehydration. Sudu. Click what? delete. Click what? You click delete. You click delete. Message. Product deleted successfully. Product deleted what? You click one. See, you maintain this message nicely. Where? Nicely on the top of the table with colorful. What? Colorful. Click on Bandakaya. You click delete. Product deleted what? That's it. You got the message also. What you get there? But directly delete or you want confirmation? If you want confirmation, then you write. Then you write. You want directly delete confirmation. What you require? Confirmation. Okay. Let me go for the confirmation. What mission? Then you right click what? On click. Even on click. You write the function. What function? Lowercase function. What function? Lowercase function. Okay, lowercase function. Are you sure? Hey, just on click confirm function. Are you sure? Are you sure you want? Are you sure you want delete? Want delete? Confirm function. You click either yes or no. Then you can go for what? Return statement. What statement? That's it. Come to the browser. Huh? Return spelling wrong. Okay. Nice Tom. Spelling and spelling wrong. నేను పెట్టుకుంటాం మళ్ళీ తప్పు రాసుకుంటాం మళ్ళీ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం నీకేంటి జస్ట్ ఈ క్యాన్ కమ్ టు స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇద్దరు వేసింది రెడీ వేసేసుకోండి ఇద్దరు వేసి తప్ప అది తప్పని ఆన్ క్లిక్ చెప్పిన ఒక ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మిస్టేక్ లెటర్ స్పెల్లింగ్ రాందంట a confirm function you write, then you can go for what option guys your delete. If you click on the delete button, you click on what? Delete button, then it's asking the message. Asking that gone. Gone, it's gone. Gone means what? On click. On click return confirm. CONFIRM. Are you sure you want to delete? Save. Refresh once. Click on delete. Save. You save. I save. All of what? Save. See 402. 402 what? Delete. 402 delete is asking what? Are you sure you want to delete? Are you sure? You should say no. Yes sir, no na. But sir, disturbance ఉంది నిలబడడానికి. Okay, cool. కాసేపు అయిపోయింది నేను ఆపేస్తాం. Are you sure you want to delete? No. It means what? It means 402 should not delete. That is what? 402. What to? 402. Click on the cancel. Once if we click on the cancel 402 delete it, not deleted. Wow, we got it. Yeah, click on what? Delete. Click on what? Okay. That is what? Click on what? Okay. Now what do you click on? Okay. What gone? Gone. Just you see the message. Hey, gone. చచ్చిపోయిందిరా వావ్ అంట వావ్ చచ్చిపోతే అలా వావ్ అంటారు ప్రతి 452. Click on what? Delete. See guys, I showed the output like total three possibility. Possibility one, just I showed the output without message. You click on the delete, data is gone. Second case, I tried with what model redirect attribute with message. Third case, I done with what confirmation message. 452 is gone. Click on delete, then what? 502 is gone. 502 is gone. Ah. Well, that's it, guys. Delete operation is done. What operation is done? Delete operation. Click on what? Okay. All gone. Click on what? Delete. All gone. Click on what? Delete. Gone. All are what? Gone. Click on delete. Gone. Go for what? Refresh. Any data is there? That's all. Khatam. Bye bye. Goodbye. Gaya. MySQL database, you please use your database. What the database name? Okay. Database name is what? Yes. A. Select star from product. Any data is there not there? Khatam. Nether కూడా క్లీన్ టైం అయిపోయింది. Close. Godama. Close. That is what? Close. Wait, that's it, guys. Unfortunately, fortunately, I will share only this line of code. I will paste this code. Yeah. Now you write the remaining code. You write remaining. Write it down fast. Delete operation. When we click on hyperlink when we click on what? Hyperlink. When you click on hyperlink, it generates what request? When you click on hyperlink, it sends the get request to server. When we click on hyperlink, what request is generated? Hey, when you click on hyperlink, what request is generated? Get request. Hyperlink request is when we click on hyperlink, it sends the get request to. It sends the get request to server. Hey, you write the controller layer, service layer, repository layer. Code was with the redirectional attributes. And this is like anchor tag. And you write the delete message also. For the delete message, product deleted what? Successfully. After deletion, what we need to do? Send the viewer redirect to same page. Redirected to same page. Redirected to base work. Redirected. Redirected to same page means what? Model attribute work, redirectional attributes work. Redirectional attributes you have to check it. We complete controller layer, repository layer, service layer. All that should be done. Otherwise, I'll cut your back. That is important. Bye. అందులో ప్రొడ్యూసర్ మాట్లాడినట్టు ఇది సార్ 2 మాటలు 2 మాట్లాడినట్టు పెద్దలు చెప్పాడు వినాలా ఇవంటే వినాలా you see that code you see you see any problem see there not my face my face already you see there not back side you see there any problem you identify any problem here application name username url password DDL order property SQL format SQL dialog class any problem also problem లేదు కదా any problem no రాసుకోండి అయితే రాసుకోండి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు కదా any problem is there yes sir tell me the problem problem is there or not there చెక్ చేయాలి స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్లు ఈలు పోయినాయో రైట్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆరిపోయిందంట జోక్లేదు ఏమలేదు మంచిగా నాకు తెలుసు ఆయన ఒక అమ్మాయి ఉండేది ఆ రోజు క్లాస్ ఆయన నిలబడం ఉన్నాను కదా గెట్ problem any problem hey tell me problem no problem అరే ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం అంటే అట్లీస్ట్ మీరు ఏదో ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్ దేర్ నా దగ్గర ఇంకా రాసుకోండి ప్రాబ్లం అసలు మీటింగ్ అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి ఆ కోడ్ సమ్ కోడ్ సంథింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్ దేర్ బట్ ప్రాబ్లం టెల్ ఎనీవన్ ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి సార్ చూస్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు దీర్ఘంగా ఎక్కడన్నా సార్ స్పెల్లింగ్ ఎడం తప్పిపోయింది స్పెల్లింగ్ రావు సెంట్రల్ లొకేషన్ ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం అక్కడ. ప్రాబ్లం ఏముంది అక్కడ? వాట్ ద ప్రాబ్లం? సార్ స్టాండ్ అప్. చెప్పు ప్రాబ్లం. నీకే అర్థమైంది ప్రాబ్లమ్ సార్. Hey, here problem is there. Look, stand up. ఇదేమో సీట్ వేసారా నార్మల్ మీరు చేయండి చెప్పండి ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి అది పెద్దోళ్ళైంది ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పరా You see that properties, no problem. Code working, right? Code working or not working? Then what's the problem then? Any problem is there? No problem. Code is working fine. Good. At the points. Check the three implementation. Implement the delete operation when we click on the product. Implement the delete operation. When we click delete, product deleted. Second option is what? Give the message. Third point is what? Before delete, ask the confirmation message. You see, like step by step process, guys. Don't write all the code at a time and you don't see all three are coming at a time. See, guys, but this code problem is there. But the problem is, at least if I ask the problem, like you have to tell at least the basic problem you have to tell. Port number is not there. Yes, right. Who told port number? Port పెట్టుకోను కోడ్ నెంబర్ అనుకో నువ్వు తెలియగా మాట్లాడుతున్నావు తెలుసా కోడ్ నెంబర్ అని కోడ్ నెంబర్ కోడ్ నెంబర్ ఎందుకు కోడ్ నెంబర్ ఏ కోడ్ నెంబర్ ఓన్లీ ప్రాబ్లం what the problem because see you don't use the default port guys you should use always what server dot what server dot port. Yes, that's the one problem. Basic. That is a big problem, guys. We need to add what? Server dot what? Port. Port equal to what? Use some like random port number, guys. 9999. That is what? Port number. Port number. Popular post number. Hey, port number not right. Port number. Port number is not a problem. What is the problem? Huh? Local host. అంటే నువ్వు లోకల్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ The problem is problem. What is the problem? Yes, Rajnikant told correct answer. Problem is problem because of problem. Yes, sir. ఇది భలే ఉంటుంది కదా, కరివేపాకు ఎల్లుగడ్డ పుదీనా లెక్క. నేను షాప్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత what is that? What is the problem, Kirti? Oh, a problem is like, problem is there, guys, because that important problem actually. The problem solution is like, solution is very important problem because it is what? Problem. It's very important actually. Because, 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 problem. Hey, complete. Hey, this is the, we have at least if I ask the problem, we have to tell one problem. The problem is like, see here, you written the spring how many times here? Spring it out, 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 spring it out. How many times? 10 times. See, spring it out, data source, data source, data source, data source. How many times? Multiple times. Then spring.jps, 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 spring.jps. One time, multiple times or multiple times. It means like property file, guys. The data, the words are duplicated mostly. The words are what? Duplicated. That's what, guys. In the real time, in place of the property files, we have the structure like this: spring dot data source dot. Will be the indentation, guys. Some four spaces like this. Spring dot data source dot button URL. You can write like that, so that here I can remove remaining time. Spring dot data source dot directly you can write what? Username. Okay, you can write what? Username. See guys, this is a code I can write. Spring dot data source dot username, spring dot data source dot what? Spring dot yeah, first one is what? URL, right? Fine. Yeah, this one guys. Spring dot data source dot spring dot data source dot what? URL, username, password, driver class name. That is the data guys. Hey, which one is good? Spring dot data JPA. Just you can write the spring dot data JPA dot data JPA dot hibernate DDL like that, and here you can write what? Like this, and here you write what? Like this. That like that we should write the code guys. Properties dot and you can write the properties colon hibernate colon like this. Hey, which one is good? Property file is good. This way of writing the code is good. Spring dot data source dot URL username password driver class name. Spring dot jpa dot hibernate dot show as skill dot properties. Which one is good, guys? This one is good or previous one is good? Ma? This one is good, right? Because you write in the spring. Even the spring no need to write multiple times. Generally, you should write like this. And even spring dot application dot name also you should not write like this. Spring should come only one time. Spring dot just you can write what? Application dot what? Name like this. Spring dot application dot name. Spring dot data source dot URL. Spring dot JPA dot DDL are the properties like that, guys. Hey, which one is good? Previous code is good or this is good? But reading is very important, guys. This is what? If you want to read the name is how to read the name, tell me here. Spring dot application dot name. How to read the username, tell me here. Spring dot data source dot name or application dot data source dot name. Some might have been said like an application also. See this indentation we have to follow. Spring dot application dot name completed. Next one is what? Spring dot data source your URL username password. Spring dot jpeg dot hibernate dot DDL auto properties like this one is good. Previous property file is good. This one is good, right? Exactly. Guys, this one you should follow the indentation, guys. Indentation you can go for the 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces like this. But definitely this one is showing some errors, guys. That is good or not good? Not good, right? That's why you go for the property file only. What file? This is good reading, right? You go with this file only. Got it? That is called what file? This is called property file, guys. Previously, what we written that is called AML file. What file, ma? AML file. YAML files. YAML files. AML files, guys. AML file just like property file only. Only change the syntax is like structure is good actually. AML structure is what? Good. That's what, guys. See, sir, you write the AML only. Okay, now I write the AML only. I run the code. But see, guys, again, if I want to write the line by line alignment is not possible in the real time. You will copy this code here. You will copy what? Code here. Just you can write the properties to what? AML conversion, guys. You ask the internet. You ask what? Internet. AML to what? Properties conversion. Property to AML conversion, guys. Accept all. Here you can see the code. Just you can write this is the property file. See, guys, in internet we have the internet we have the tools like data here. Just you can place this is the property file data here. Let me place the property file data. I place my all the property file data. Then I ask it to what? To AML file. You click on the to AML file. Then AML file will come. Then AML file will come. Just you can copy this AML file. Copy what? AML file. Come here and what? Paste the format. That's it. You don't sit and don't write line by line code concept. Yes, you directly can follow the structure like this. Follow what? Structure like this. Wait, that's it, guys. We converted the property file into what file, guys? Here, ML file. What file, ma? ML file. Sir, but my application extension is still properties only, right? What extension, guys? Properties. You right click and rename this file, guys. Refactor and what? Rename. If you want click on the rename, just you can change this properties here. Click on OK and the properties of YAML. In ML file you can write this is called what? YAML. See guys, when you change to YAML file, here you can see on the top of the property file YAML Y syntax actually. Can you see that Y, right? Yeah, this is the Y is nothing but what? YAML file. Yeah, that is a YAML file. This is my YAML file. This is what file? YAML file. Okay, this is like camel file you got it. Spring data source driver class name, spring application what name. The starting one, if you want, let me take the application name. Spring application name, spring data source what driver class name, URL, username, password, JPA, properties, direct class, DDL auto properties, show SQL, these all are coming from, right? That's it, yes. That is the ML file conversion. The ML file you are writing out will be converted. You write a normal property file. Otherwise, ChatGPT directly you ask the question tell me this. What the question here? MySQL property give me AML syntax. MySQL, what you can say here? Properties give me tell me guys. Give me application dot what? Application dot what? AML. Application dot AML guys. That's it. Then you ask the application dot AML directly. He will give the property file syntax, AML file syntax. AML file syntax. AML kadama, AML. YAML file. See guys, spring the data source dot URL, username, password like this. We have the JPEG database platform. So like all we are getting proper. Correct? That's it, guys. But you already know the property file. You copy paste the property file to internet. Ask the property file to what? Property file to AML file conversion. So that's it, guys. Simply can run the project. Right click on the project. Click on what? Start. Once if you click on the start, I think do you have any projects as of now here? No, click on what? Products. Now you see guys, you got the Yeah, product form is there. And last name is like, product name I'll enter what? Lokesh, and product price is what? 116, brand is what? Tell me guys, product brand. I mean, page, just you can know what. I mean, page quantity is what? 2. Click on one button, guys, you save. That's it, guys. Product is saved or not saved? Saved. Saved means what? Database is working, code is working. AML is what? Working. Hey, no, sir, you do one more time, sir. You remove this, property like this. I remove properties. If I remove the properties, if I run the project, now you please cross check once database access the failed. Failed because the code number, everything is valid, invalid. Invalid, right? If it is invalid, guys, you please check the code. You please click on what? Go back and click on what button? Save. Once you click on the save, now see guys, the application is failed to save. Application is failed, guys, because of username, password, something like. See, guys, the input string is what? 33. Evening, something like that. Because you deleted some characters, right? It means AML file is working or not working now? Ma? Working and my filter working. Because you deleted, modifications are affected. Modifications affected is what? Working. Modifications affected is what? Working. That's it, guys. So, either working and not working. Right, that's it. That is what file? Ma? At the points. This XAML file syntax. Application dot. ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదంట ఈ పడితే అలా స్ప్రింగ్ అని పసారు పడుతుందా స్ప్రింగ్ డేటా సోర్స్ అని అట్లీస్ట్ ఎవరికైనా స్ప్రింగ్ పసారు చూసారు డేటా సోర్స్ పసారు చూసారు అక్కడ పోర్ట్ నెంబర్ కావాలి